Miss Teena English Podcast,
where you learn to speak English.
Miss Teena English Podcast, your daily dose of simple English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Teena.
And I'm Jimin. Hi, everyone.
Jimin, quick question. What do you do on a Sunday when you have nothing planned?
Honestly, I probably just watch something on my phone.
Same. But today we're talking about something more interesting. Hobbies, and how to talk about them in English.
This is such a common topic in real conversations, but so many learners get stuck on it. Yes, hobbies are one of the most common small talk topics in English. What do you do for fun? Comes up all the time.
And a lot of learners freeze when someone asks this, not because they don't have hobbies, but because they don't know how to say it naturally.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your hobbies confidently and ask other people about theirs too.
We'll also give you specific vocabulary for different types of hobbies, so you're never stuck for words.
Let's go.
Quick thing before we start. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit like and subscribe. New videos every week. Simple, slow English just for you. Step 1. How do we even ask this question?
The classic one. What do you do in your free time?
Let's say it together. What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
You can also say, what do you do for fun? Or simply, do you have any hobbies?
These are all natural, casual ways to start the topic.
And free time is a really useful phrase. It just means time when you're not working or studying.
Free time. Say it. Free time.
One more option. How do you like to spend your weekends? This is a bit more specific and works great with new friends or coworkers.
How do you like to spend your weekends? That's a lovely, gentle way to open the topic.
Step 2. Answering the question yourself.
The easiest structure is, in my free time, I like to, plus a verb ing form.
For example, in my free time, I like to read, or I like to cook.
Let's practice. In my free time, I like to read.
In my free time, I like to read.
You can also say, I'm really into. This shows more passion. I'm really into photography.
I'm really into photography. That sounds more enthusiastic than just, I like it.
Exactly. I'm into shows real interest, almost like a mini passion.
And if it's something you do a lot, you can say, I'm obsessed with, but only for something you really, really love.
I'm obsessed with cooking shows. That's true, actually.
There's also a more relaxed option, I dabble in. This means you do something a little, not seriously.
I dabble in painting. It means I try it sometimes, but I'm not an expert.
Dabble. Such a nice, humble word for beginners. Step 3. Talking about how often you do your hobby.
This is where frequency words come in. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely.
For example, I usually play football on weekends.
I usually play football on weekends.
Or I sometimes paint when I have free time.
I sometimes paint when I have free time.
These frequency words make your English sound much more natural and specific.
And it helps the other person understand exactly how serious you are about that hobby.
You can also say, every now and then I go fishing. That means occasionally, not very often.
Every now and then. Great phrase for something you enjoy, but don't do constantly.
Step 4. The why. This is what makes conversation interesting.
You can say, it helps me relax, or it's a great way to clear my mind.
I love that phrase, clear my mind. It means to stop thinking about stress and worries.
Clear my mind. Say it. Clear my mind.
Or you could say, it's a nice break from my daily routine.
A nice break from my daily routine. Very natural, very common phrase.
And if it's a creative hobby, you might say, it lets me express myself.
express myself, meaning show your feelings, ideas, and personality through something.
One more lovely one. It keeps me grounded. This means it helps you stay calm and balanced.
It keeps me grounded. I really like that expression.
Let's go through some quick vocabulary by category so you're ready for any hobby conversation.
For sports and fitness, jogging, cycling, swimming, going to the gym.
For creative hobbies, painting, drawing, writing, playing an instrument.
For relaxing hobbies, reading, gardening, baking, journaling.
And for social hobbies, board games, hosting dinners, dancing.
No matter your hobby, you can plug it into the phrases we just learned.
For example, I'm really into gardening. I usually do it every weekend. It really helps me relax.
See how it all connects? Interest, frequency, and reason?
Let's roleplay. Jimin, we just met at a party.
Okay, ready. So, what do you do for fun?
I'm really into hiking, actually. I usually go every weekend if the weather's nice.
Oh, nice. What do you love about it?
It really helps me clear my mind, and I love being outdoors. What about you?
I'm more of an indoor person, honestly. I'm obsessed with video games.
That's a great example. Casual, natural, and it keeps the conversation flowing easily.
And notice, neither of us just said yes or no. We gave real details, which keeps the chat going.
What do you do in your free time? I'm really into. I'm obsessed with. I dabble in. It helps me relax. It's a nice break from my daily routine. It lets me express myself. It keeps me grounded.
Now it's your turn. What's your hobby? Write it in the comments using one of today's phrases.
We read every comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Hobbies are an easy, friendly topic in English. Ask naturally, answer with I'm into or I'm obsessed with, add frequency words, and explain why you enjoy it.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Like, share, subscribe for new videos every week.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.